Show me your crazy dance, crazy child. Whoa, good dancing. Get up, dance more.
Be careful, don't hit the table.
Oh, this is good. This is like excellent dance.
Ow. Watch out.
That's okay.
All done?
That's good.
No.
I just fall.
All done dancing?
I hurt my elbow. Nope. I'm just going. I'm like, nope.
Ron will dance on the couch. Let me see. Dance on the couch.
Okay.
Don't fall down though. Wow, I love that dance. It's like a watermelon dance.
You chopping watermelon?
Like a monkey dance, that's right. I love it. Okay. I love it. You can have bubble gummies.